Hi, I'm Kendall. You might have seen I've been making a lot of seed snail videos lately, and one of my favorite things about snails is being able to reuse material instead of throwing it in the landfill, using it to do something like plant seeds, grow seedlings, grow food, grow beautiful plants for your garden. And so I'm gonna do a series called Will It Snail, and we're gonna test a bunch of different materials. So the way this is gonna work is I'm going to create them for the first episode of Will It Snail. I'll make the snail, I'll let you know if it will actually roll into a snail and hold seeds. And then I will check in 6 weeks and let you know how those snails did over time, if they disintegrated, if they held up, and if I was able to get successful seedlings out of them to pot out into my garden. We're gonna test all of our snails with this Swiss chard ruby red because I accidentally bought a whole pound of this seed. It also is both an ornamental and an edible plant, so this is a good choice for popping all around the garden, getting some beautiful red stems, and having some food to eat if I want to as well. The recommended indoor seed starting time for this seed is 4 to 6 weeks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the snail today. I'm gonna tell you whether or not it will snail in each episode, and then in 6 weeks, I'll check back and let you know how that snail held up to 6 weeks of watering and regular seedling care. Let's see if it can make all 6 weeks before it gets planted out in the garden. For our first Will It Snail video, we have a successful germination of this pink celery in a Ziploc bag snail. This stuff is ready to plant out in the garden. It's been in here for about a month, and the Ziploc bag worked great. So first success of Will It Snail is an example for you, some adorable pink celery. Let me know in the comments below if you have ideas for materials I should test, or if you've tested certain materials yourself and you know that they will snail, let us know in the comments. Thanks for joining me. This will be fun. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any episodes.